Guys, let's be honest, shooting video on a phone has got a lot better, but it can still be a little bit of a faff. Overheating, particularly if you're using Apple's ProRes mode, awkward grips, smudgy screens, and that constant feeling that you're one move away from dropping a very expensive slab of glass on the floor. So today we're taking a look at something that claims to fix a lot of that. It's the TELESIN Master Grip, and it's designed to turn your iPhone into something that actually feels like a proper camera. But does it actually make any difference in the real world, or is it just a bit of a gadget? Well guys, stick around to find out. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Now guys, before we get into it, TELESIN did send this over to me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, you've got the Master Grip itself. You've got the case that your iPhone slots into. You've got a USB-C charging cable and a wrist strap, which honestly feels like it could tow a small car. Everything's nicely laid out, nicely packaged, and it feels like a premium product straight away. The case has a slightly textured finish on the back, which gives you a bit of grip without feeling rubbery or cheap. You've also got the magnetic mounting system built in, and that's what allows the grip to just snap in place. And when I say snap, I mean snap. That is going nowhere, right? It's properly secure, but you know what? Still easy to remove when you actually want to. Now, the grip itself feels solid, guys, with a good bit of weight to it. Not heavy, just reassuring. It feels more like a small camera than a phone accessory, which is a good sign. Now, let's put it together and see how it actually performs. So guys, this is the TELESIN Master Grip, and as I said, this is designed for the iPhone 17 series, and I'm using it here with my iPhone 17 Pro. And at first glance, you know what, it kind of looks a little bit chunky, but there's actually a lot going on in here. Inside the case, there is a graphene cooling system designed to pull heat away from your phone and push it out through the back. And if you've ever had your phone overheat while filming, especially outdoors, you know exactly why that matters. Your phone slows down, the screen dims, and everything becomes a little bit of a nightmare. This actually helps to prevent that. Now, graphene is ridiculously good at moving heat around, and in real world use, it does make a noticeable difference during longer shoots, as I said, particularly if you're using Apple's ProRes format. But the grip itself is where it really starts to shine. It feels solid, nicely weighted, and like I said, more like holding a small camera than a phone accessory. It's not bulky, it's not flimsy, it's just right. You've got proper physical controls here. You've got a shutter button, a zoom rocker, a mode dial, and a wake button, all placed exactly where your fingers naturally land. And guys, yes, it's magnetic. Like I said, it's very magnetic and snaps on very, very confidently. And you can also flip it around if you want to shoot selfie style or vlog more comfortably. Once you start using it, it genuinely feels like you're holding a camera rather than a phone. And guys, you can half press to focus and full press to shoot, just like you would on a normal camera. And guys, that enables you to also zoom between lenses very, very smoothly, and guys, even pause video recording without stopping the clip, which is actually pretty handy. You can also switch between front and rear cameras instantly, which makes walk and talk filming much, much easier. Ergonomically, it's spot on. I mean, I've got normal size hands, and you know what? It feels very secure without being bulky. And if you've got smaller hands, well, it also feels comfortable and well balanced as well. So you know what? It's all good in the hand. Now guys, TELESIN also have their own app called Reef Color, and that's where things start to get a bit more creative. First off, you can access different shooting modes, filters and aspect ratios, including vertical, square and cinematic formats. Some of the filters are photo only, some work for video, and they're clearly still refining this side of things. But you know what? The potential here is pretty solid. One thing I genuinely like is being able to flip between filming what's in front of me and filming myself without stopping the recording. And that's one of those features you don't even realize you want until you got it. And guys, there are also accessories you can add on. Things like magnetic lights and filters. Yes, this is a magnetic selfie light. Open it up, it's got a mirror, turn it on, it's got a light which you can dim and make brighter so you can film yourself, and this is quite handy if you want to use the rear camera. You can line yourself up in the mirror rather than using the selfie camera, so that's pretty neat if you want the extra quality. And guys, it just kind of sticks on with the magnet, which once it's stuck on, it's pretty secure and it's not coming off. And like I said, that light can go on like that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's actually pretty bright. And then yes, there's that wrist strap, which feels like I said, it could survive a small car crash. I mean, it is a tough old strap. But you know what? It's all very, very well thought out and nothing really feels gimmicky. So guys, there you have it. The TELESIN Master Grip that genuinely turns your phone into something that feels much, much closer to a real camera. The cooling system works, the controls make sense, and the whole experience just feels more professional. Whichever way you've got it up, it doesn't really matter. You can turn it around if you want to. But you know what, guys, if you shoot video regularly, especially on your phone, this is one of the accessories that actually earns its place in your kit. I mean, I get a lot of stuff and I give away a lot of stuff, but you know what? This is definitely a keeper. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this up for around £94, which is a reduced price from about £109. I'll leave any links and any further discounts in the description below. And if you've got any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to TELESIN for sending me this cool Master Grip to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.